फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई?
Gentlemen, sometimes, we were actually discussing this. Salman sir, you're looking fantastic first. Can I just say this?
Thank you,
And you
thank
put
you.
all of us to shame also. हर बारी वापस जाके बहुत सारी चीजें
अरे
करनी
बीच
पड़ती
में कभी कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है। और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? अब जब इनकी शादी हो जाएगी, बच्ची हो जाएगी, हाँ, बड़ी स्टार हो जाएगी, वो सब भी काम करेंगे ना, मम्मी का परमिशन तो मिल ही जाएगा, है ना?
Murugadas sir,
Thank you.
just, I was reading a lovely article. You said, when I'm making films with big stars, I just make big films, in that way. You have to also cater to the audience, what the audience wants, what the star also has, as a name for so many years. Someone like Salman sir is, literally pan-India. It works like that. You seem so unassuming all the time. How do you make these big, this has got emotion, this has got action? Are you like this on the chair also when you're directing? Is this like this only with a small voice? Or is there another side of you that we haven't seen which is there in the films also? Because the films have a lot of aggression. So which side is this?
I want to share something with you, please.
One second, I'll just, just take, yeah.
Thank you.
Just increase the volume for this.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for coming. Actually, I was struggling AD long back, so I wanted to watch a shoot. So I went to Prasad studio in Chennai. I request the security guard to allow me and watch the shoot. So he allowed me with 2 conditions. So you have to be in the corner. Don't talk to anyone. So 20 minutes you have time. After 20 minutes you have to leave. So I entered. I know what was the shoot, so I was just waiting. Full dark, one smoke. Suddenly light comes. Sridevi ma'am was there. So I thought first time watching Sridevi ma'am shooting. Then suddenly
Hero, for example, Hukumat Dharmendra Ji's. I read Dharmendra Ji's character, and in Agnipath in Tamil, I read Amitabh Ji's character. And of course, Three Idiots, Bommanerani Sir's character I did in Tamil. So all varieties. But that sarcastic villain, I lost myself. So Murugadas sir brings back the most sarcastic villain. That's a trendset at that time. That is 42 years before. I really enjoyed this film working in that style of character. Again, I am seeing me only. And of course, working with Salman ji is very, very, very comfortable because without knowing the language, acting with such a great person is very.
They say so much about him. I know. He's loved everywhere.
But I don't have any combination with Oh Solriya Mama. We worked together in Brahmotsavam in many films. Yeah. So, and of course, the great producer and the very big production house. I really stunned off watching this trailer. So thank you for giving me the opportunity, producer sir, Salman ji, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You're so incredibly humble. There were so many vows when you were saying the roles that you had done. Sometimes in this current day and age, when we have one reel going viral, people start saying, you look at how humbly you said. It's a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
I think we all learned a little bit about cinema history today, standing sir with you. So really humbling to be on stage with you also. But there's nothing wrong that you can do sometimes, Rashmi. Can I say it? You know why? Because a lot of people become stars. You're still so chilled, still so humble. I was seeing a video the other day. You asked the Paps, "Aur kitna videos loge mera?" Same hi to main lag rahi hu. It was beautiful. But that's how it's been. The last couple of years has been fantastic for you. Do you sometimes just, are you in shock or what is it going? Yes, of course, everyone puts in the same amount of effort. You're watching all your films and different kinds of films also, So it must be a fantastic period. What is the thought process now? What are you thinking?
Okay, firstly, hi guys, how are you? All good? Y'all ate? Yeah. See, I got Salman sir to do it. All well? Huh? What?
Do that again.
Oh, here. So do na. Huh. This is
That's
our
your
hearts to
shot.
you. We should get everyone to do it.
Now the Paps are happy. It works. We'll do that in the end. ऐसा photo करेंगे. Yes, but yeah.
Hi guys, so sorry. Thank you so much for coming here. Always very nerve-wracking, but at the same time super special that I get to meet all of you personally. So for the question that you asked me, and the as in, what did you ask me again?
Just the last 2 years of the run, are you just every Friday everyone's nervous and you're walking with 500 CR each time? Not 50.
Listen, that is not on us. That is the incredible directors and the actors that I got this opportunity to do films with. I feel like all the credit goes to them, because if I had any sort of power over it, then of course my entire career would have been so different. So this is the amazing, like, the visions of the directors, the story writing, the editors, the storytellers, everyone. It's a combination of a work, right? And today here we are with Sikandar, and you guys have just watched the trailer, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch the film, and I hope you like it. I got this opportunity to work with Salman sir, as in, what can get bigger than that? And Murugadas sir, I've always wanted to work with him because, like, I entered the industry like 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry. But watching him do his films is so incredibly beautiful. It's got so much emotion. It's like mass. That's how sir says it. It's all mass. So I really wanted to work with sir, and I got this opportunity today, and I'm really, really honored. And Sajid sir, of course, like, I think for this film is the first time sir called me and he was like, listen, we wanted to work with each other and I have a great script for you. And that's when it all started. But it's been super special. Of course, I haven't gotten any opportunity to work with the ladies, like with the scene in front of whatever dialogues and all of that. But I hope I get to do so. They're so gorgeous, they're so beautiful. So I'll probably be like, very pretty the whole time.
And so are you.
It's worked so wonderful.
समीरा थोड़ा टेका लेके मानना
हाँ मैम फर्स्ट मार्क हमारी काजल जी काजल जी इधर देखिए मैम
मैम यार काजल मैम यार
मैम सामने मैम सेंटर सेंटर सामने सामने देखिए
मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क
सामने सामने काजल जी यहाँ पर नहीं देखिए यहाँ पर देखिए काजल जी विजय का तो मिला वापस नहीं यहाँ पर देखिए वीडियो पर काजल जी जल्दी कॉपी करने के अच्छा वॉकिंग में ज़्यादा बीच में लड़के लोग आएगा ये अरुण कुछ बोलता नहीं रहेगा हमारा खाते का तो लेना पड़ेगा ये रोहित पीछे आधा पैसा दे दिए ऑफिस ये थोड़ा इसलिए 40 ये बिछाना है सुहास अवनीत लैब में अरे इधर पे भी चाहिए ना लोग यार, अरे इधर का भी है नहीं, देखा इधर पे भी चाहिए ऐसे।
आ जाओ
आज मैं पता है इधर पे भी मिलेगा।
हाँ मैम यहाँ पे
अभी जी सामने आप
मैम सामने मैम सेंटर मैम सामने हाँ, यहाँ पे मॉर्निंग मैम इधर देखिए ना
अनिल राइट में आपके
सामने
अमित में
लुक अभी
अवनीत इधर इधर, अवनीत अवनीत ऊपर ऊपर।
on your right side. Yes.
थैंक यू।
अच्छा क्या बात है? आज इससे पीछे
कौन आ रहा है ये देखना उसको
अरे उन्हें तो दो पहले मार्क पे। कम क्लोज।